Hey folks, look, today we're going to check out the Hummingbird Mark 14 Beard Master adjustable beard trimmer from Hummingbird. We've tried out the head shaver from Hummingbird here on the channel, and it turned out to be a pretty good little item. So they sent me another one to check out what we got. Tight fitting box. Airtight almost. Take a look at the side shot here. Stainless steel precision T-blade, zoom wheel adjustable comb, Type-C wall charger, digital battery level, display, Type-C universal charging cable, waterproof design, and a travel case, premium travel case from Hummingbird. Outside, shave smarter. A little information on the company, and just like the head shaver, it comes in a pretty fancy little case. That's real nice. Got a little rubberized coating on it, travel carrier. And we got them wrapped up in the plastic. This is your charging cable, it looks like. Charging cable, a little cleaning brush. Oh, you even got a power brick with it. That's pretty impressive. You don't see that much anymore with rechargeable items. They make you buy your own usually. And then we got the beard trimmer with a nice little guard on it. Speed wheel. Power button. Feels nice. Feels well constructed. Oh, the guard. That's pretty interesting little guard setup. Usually they kind of clip on the outside there. Let's power it up and see if she's got any juice before we have to. Okay, well, if you read the instructions, as we are not always wont to do as fellas, you find out it has a travel lock on there, which is a genius idea. That way, this joker don't start up in your bag, and when you get where you're going, be dead because it's been running on your airplane the whole time, or in your suitcase in the train storage. So yeah, if you hold your button, that's a 3-second countdown. There you go. Travel lock is set on. Button won't start it. Hold the button 3 seconds again. Travel lock comes off. She cranks right up. I think this is your adjustment on your cut depth here, not a speed of your cutter. So, yeah. Let me take this and see if we can't trim up the beard with it right quick and get a quick operation of that. That just sits on there. Flips down, set your guard. This gives you a little stubbly look probably. Right, the Hummingbird Mark 14 Beard Master.